Cebu. Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Punta Isla, the #1 resort here in Lake Cebu. We are pure-blooded Tiboli. We are here to present the different musical instruments and the dance of Tiboli dances. This is how can entertain you and welcome all of you. We welcome you all. Welcome to Punta Isla Lake Resort. The first instrument is called kumbing or a bamboo jaw harp. They usually play it during eclipse time to call the moonlight bath. The spirit of kumbing deep under the earth and deep into the sky, the sound of kumbing. The last instrument is called tanonggong or a wooden drum made from the skin of a deer. And now, some of Tiboli dances. The first dance is Madagtahu or a true dance, a dance imitated from Kanaban. The sister of Tiboli legendary hero named Tutbulul, the Madagtahu. Dance is Madal Samguwit. This dance to express the feeling of woman towards a man. The last dance is Madalba Kumbing, playing Kumbing while dancing Opis. Pictures na,
qua tên ông đi xem ba cú ngang lâu nay có nó sẽ tạm mà sẽ làm mà tung lên đi si bu gi mà nó tung ba sân đạo bờ lo tận nào bấm đến đi bên ngô sẽ bu gờ la nam to nam đi bu nam mà ra đem lại no go ben no ngabulu reti boli giser boli.
Ma'am, sir, the meaning of song, thank you for coming to Punta Isla as one of your destinations. We are hoping to see you again some other time. Thank you very much and God bless everyone. Taybang salamat.
God bless you too. Pwede ba picture?
Pwede. Siya po sa Nescafe, ma'am, sa TV.